How to manage brightness on UC browser. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage brightness on your UC browser easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simply go to UC browser. Now go down here and click on those three lines, click on the settings option and go to browsing settings, the second option. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. You will find many options here, but all what you have to do is scroll down until you find the brightness option. As you can see, click on it and now you can manage your brightness as you want, or you can set it to auto. Very easy and fast. Click OK after you finish. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.